Hello everyone, today we are going to open and build this latest LEGO Dream set, the Never Witch Nightmare Creature. So this is a set, comes with some excellent minifigures. I can't wait to open this up. So without further ado, let's open up and start building. And finally, we have finished building the Neverwitch Nightmare creature. So I decided to build the default build instead of the other two they offer, which is a mech and a dog. Without further ado, let's take a detailed look at the set. First, we take a look at the side view over here. So we have a new bird over here. Really a fantasy setting, but it's a lovely mode. I think they're gonna use the same mode for some other aviation creatures or animal in the future. But this is a very nice mode here. And then we've got a tree and also a pot. I think this actually a new piece. I think it's looking really good for creating any pot for which to make the potion. There's nothing inside because it's kind of like it kind of set up this way. You've got some nicely green flames. The best part of this set is actually those new printed pieces over here. So it's inside the jar, and this particular clear piece is also a new element. And you can see like how detailed the prints are. And now we take a look at the nightmare creature. So I decided to build a bird because it's a very good looking bird. This is a smaller bird, not as big as the nightmares which Raven set, which also on my wish list. I haven't bought it yet. Once I get a good deal, then I'll buy it. I love how they create the wings. You do get some articulation point to adjust the angle, and the way that create the feather is really cool. And then we've got the head here. You also get the articulation on the neck as well, although you can't open the mouth. The eye is printed on top, the few stickers to give it a few more, details. And then the legs, I love how they use this transparent piece for the legs. Again, the legs, you can adjust the angle a little bit, but of course, there's some weight on the body and the wings, so it's not that easy to adjust different pose apart from this one. And then on the back, you've got the tail as well. It's a really nice looking view, and underneath, you've got some detail as well. So this is a really, really cool and fun view, although some parts can be difficult to build because it's quite small. And you also have a very nice looking seat for you to place a minifigure to ride on this bird. And now we take a look at the minifigures in this set. By far, the minifigures are probably the best part of this set, and you do have 5 minifigures and also one brick build character included. First, we have Mateo. This is an updated version with all new printed torso, the legs, and also a new headpiece. It's the same shape, but you do have a slight shade of red around here. Got a really lovely looking sword here, which is 3 parts. The handle is actually new. And then we've got a C block underneath and the green blades, and we've got the new fast piece. This is all very cool, and of course he has a secondary facial expression. It's an excellent minifigures that I like very much. And then we have a new villain over here. His name is Matteo. Obviously, is the mirrored version of Matteo. You can see everything is the same, but become a evil version. So lovely printing on the torso and the legs again. Again, you've got this hairpiece. For the hairpiece, even though outside dreams, you can use it in any other situation as well. And then you've got the other new color of this new vest. So we've got a blue one, a gray one, and from some other set we get a red one as well. This is a really, really cool new piece, and I love how they created. The next 2 minifigures are also new characters from this wave, and again is a mirrored version of other characters in LEGO Dream. So we've got Dewey, which is a mirrored version of Zoe, and then Dogan, a mirrored version of Logan. They all have lovely print on the torso and the legs, and I love how the new accessory on the shoulder. Again, they have alternate facial expression as well, and they are all very excellently done, and I love these minifigures. And finally, we have the Neverwitch minifigures. So this character is not new, introduced in the previous wave, but this time she has this smoky effect, which is a very nice piece, but with a new color. The best part of this minifigure is actually her accessory. Again, we've got one of this new printed tile that kind of have a very lovely print on it. So we in total get 4 of this in this set. And this is the Never Wish Nightmare Creatures. I really like the set. I think the bird looks really good with 5 excellent minifigures plus a side view with some new creatures and also all these lovely printed tiles. And at 65 New Zealand dollar, which I only pay 50 because of the discount, I think it's a really good deal. However, I don't really dig into the 3-in-1 offering. Even in the previous wave, I don't really care about the 2-in-1 variation. This will be a set I would recommend if you are into interesting LEGO parts and unique minifigures. So let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.